If you're a heating air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, how can you downplay what somebody shares with their buyer in a way that's funny, and why does it matter? This is a super important question. I'm Sylvan Bell. I'm coming to you live from Sacramento, California for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. There's going to be a point where you sit and you talk with your potential buyer, your buyer, and they're going to say, hey, I talked to XYZ company, and they say that they have something super secret, and nobody else has it. And you're going to look around and you're like, man, what? That's kind of standard for what we do, right? So here's what you're going to do. You could use this as a statement, or you can turn this into a question. I learned this from Oren Clough, the dude that wrote Pitch Anything. Super awesome dude, super smart. And so he would say, this is what he says. He says, hey, you know, somebody's trying to sell you secret sauce, but at the end of the day, it's just ketchup, mustard, and some relish, right? So you can flip this on the person that you're with, and they're like, hey, XYZ company said that they've got this cool thing that nobody else has. I'm like, if I told you that I had secret sauce, you'd probably just tell me it's ketchup, you know, mayonnaise, and some relish, right? Yeah, well, that's what this is. So you can flip this to your advantage. You can have conversations with it, and you can just point out and laugh. Like after that, you don't have to oversell. The mistake is to go deep on this one and use it for more than what it is. It's a retort. It's meant to be funny. It's meant to point out that not everybody has the secrets that they think that they do. And if they do, there's only so much time before the marketplace catches up to it, right? And so sometimes people will come to you and go, hey, XYZ company told me they're doing, you know, this 1, 2, 3 thing that's super secret, nobody else has. I say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, can I share with you the magic trick secret ingredients to get you secret sauce? They go, yeah, it's just ketchup, it's mayonnaise, and it's relish. This is no different, right? For what they're explaining to you, that's standard for us. This is something that we do on a consistent basis. It's secret sauce for them because it's not their standard operating playing procedure, and they really don't have anything to offer probably. I don't know. I don't know who it is, and at the end of the day, I don't care, right? And this right here is why you should join my email publication. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, or discounted training. So for you, take this word track and modify it all you can, right? Once again, shout out to Oren Clough. This is where I heard this from. I like to give credit where credit's due. So this isn't secret sauce. This is ketchup, mayonnaise, and relish. So figure out whatever product that you have when it comes to somebody selling against you that, you know, maybe they're supposed to have a special warranty or guarantee. Maybe they have like a special part or piece, and they just gave it some weird name. You know, I was writing with a salesperson probably about 3 weeks ago, and they were looking at a proposal from another company, and the other company made up a name for a product. And I had worked with him on this. That's not secret sauce. That's ketchup, that's mayonnaise, and that's relish. And so he goes into this process, and he's like, I don't even know. They made up a name here, right? This is all this is. Secret sauce? It's ketchup, it's mayonnaise, and it's relish. And everybody at the table laughed. And he ended up getting the deal. Because it's just like, hey, look, they're trying to oversell. They're trying, like, let me help you out here. Let me share with you what's really going on. They're saying it's secret sauce. It's just ketchup. It's just mayonnaise, and it's just relish. It's not really anything that's special. Now, what I have, conversely, is unique, is interesting, and this is why it's better. They're saying XYZ, I'm saying 1, 2, 3. The key here is if you're going to go down that path, it's preferred that you have something that really is secret sauce, that really is unique that you have to sell, that really truly is a benefit to the buyer. There you go. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here, just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, come on, you know what you want to do. Share this video with a friend. I'll love you. They'll love you. You can even tag them. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.